Namaste, all of my dear students. You are welcome to the next video of social studies. So I present here to teach you the topic that drug abuse and some topics we have earlier discussed in our previous class. Now I want to talk about the next topic, that causes of drug abuse. Causes of drug abuse. What are the causes of drug abuse? This is our today's topic. Here there are many causes of drug abuse. The first one, due to influence of bad company, peer pressure, youths start using drugs. First, causes of drug abuse. Second one, that due to falling the trap of drug traders. Second one. Third one, due to the attractive advertisement of drugs, due to lack of peace in family environment. Okay, my dear student, these are the causes of drug abuse. What are the different causes of drug abuse? के कारणले गर्दाखेरि ड्रगहरु एब्युज गर्ने गर्दछ, ए ड्रग्स युज गर्ने गर्दछ? Simply due to the influence of bad company. Yeah, bad company, you know about this. Youths, teenagers who follow the bad company. खराब संगतको साथीको संगतले गर्दाखेरि अनि त्यसपछि गएर ड्रग्स युजिङ गर्ने गर्दछ भने. नेक्स्ट, peer pressure. 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, their friends started to say that, okay, use once, एकचोटी प्रयोग गर, यो राम्रो हो, यस्तो हो, त्यस्तो हो भनेर भन्छ. बिस्तारै गरेर के हुन्छ भने त्यसलाई बानी लाग्छ. बानी लाग्दैपछि problem. Yes. So peer pressure also there. Youths also start using drugs. Youths are also using drugs. Youths also start to use the drugs. युथहरुले पनि के गर्छ भने यस्ता किसिमको peer pressure ले गर्दाखेरि, bad company ले गर्दाखेरि youth also started using different types of drug items. Okay, my dear student, now I want to move the next topic, next point, that due to the falling in the trap of drug traders. Trap भनेको जाल. कसको जालमा? Drug traders को जालमा पर्दाखेरि. Means those who supply the drugs, those who are supplying the drugs. Yeah, तो ड्रग सप्लाई गर्ने व्यक्तिको ट्र्यापमा जालमा पर्दाखेरि पनि के हुन्छ भने ड्रग युजिङ गर्ने चान्स बढी हुन्छ. किन? त्यो कम्पनीहरुले धेरै भन्दा धेरै युज अथवा मेरो खपत होस् अथवा बिजनेस चलोस् भनेर what they are doing, they are giving without taking any kinds of money. They are distributing without taking money. 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day. If habit form, after that started to say, go and bring money, then I will give. So if they have lack of money, if youth have lack of money, after that what they do? They started to engage in the robbery, thieving, asking money with the family. Yes, use the money, what the money given by their family members for the different types of work, to buy the book, to buy the other things. They use such money for buying the such drugs. Means that is also our second one, due to falling the trap of drug traders. Next one, due to the attractive advertisement of drugs. Sometimes advertisement also gives the attractive, very attractive, advertisement of the drugs. That is also one of the cause of drug abuse. What types of? Once I have seen in the advertisement before some years, yes, about the Khukri Churot, Khukri Churot, name of the Churot. That advertisement I have seen in hoarding boards. In that hoarding board, a person climbing on the, for the transmission line, what are the different, polling of that? तो ट्रान्समिसन लाइनको ठुलो फलामको पोल हुन्छ हो, त्यस्तोमा चढेको छ एन्ड तल लेखेको छ साहसीको एकमात्र चाहना, साहसीको एकमात्र चाहना, खुक्री चुरोट भनेर. या दिस टाइप अफ एडभर्टाइजमेन्ट, these are the attractive advertisement, and youth also think that, oh, this is the advertisement, साहसीको एकमात्र चाहना, चुरोट खाएपछि साहसी बन्छ भनेर, अनि they started to use such type of drug items. Okay, my dear student. Next one, that due to the lack of peace in a family environment, in family also, in family, day by day, day and night, it's an every time quarrel, fighting with the father, mother, like that, family member. After that also, youth, they are unable to tolerate that condition, and they make a bad decision. They started to take drugs. This is also one of the cause of taking drugs, my dear student. Okay, I want to move the next topic now. Okay, our next effect of drug abuse and individual. It means what is the effect of drug abuse and individual? So effect of drug abuse, under that we have to study here effect of drug abuse on an individual, similarly family and society. About these three we have to discuss in this lesson. कि drug abuse को असर individual में कस्तो हुन्छ, family में कस्तो हुन्छ, and after that society में कस्तो हुन्छ. About that topic we have to discuss, my dear student, in this lesson. यो lesson मा यो topic मा हामी यस्ता कुराहरु गर्छौं. I first talk about effect of drug abuse on an individual. अथवा व्यक्तिमा कस्तो किसिमको असर हुन्छ. Yes, so about that talk. Cannot continue education. Cannot continue education. This is the first effect. Failure in exam and cannot develop career. Cannot develop what? Career. Okay, next effect on an individual, that is lost job due to less attention on work. Lost job due to less attention on work. There is also effect on individual. Next one, that suffer from various diseases like HIV/AIDS, cancer, etc. Next effect on an individual, that is suffer from financial crisis. Okay, my dear student, let's talk the topic effects of drug abuse in an individual. ल व्यक्तिमा अथवा व्यक्तिगतमा कस्तो किसिमको इफेक्ट हुने गर्दछ ड्रग एब्युजको. सिम्पली वी क्यान से दैट कैन नॉट कंटिन्यू एजुकेशन if individual started to take a drugs. After that, their mentality, their mental, their cognitive power, that can be imbalance. That can be what? Imbalance. If there is an imbalance of their cognitive power, of their mind, they unable to continue their education. आफ्नो शिक्षा कन्टिन्यू गर्न सक्दैन, राम्ररी शिक्षा हासिल गर्न सक्दैन, शिक्षा राम्ररी आर्जन गर्न सक्दैन. This is the first effect in the individual. Next one, failure in exam and cannot develop their career. Failure exam. If they started to take a drugs, after that they absent in school. Yeah, their mind also not working properly because of using drugs. Yes. Then after that they leave the class, and due to such problem, what will be happen? They cannot develop. They cannot pass in exam. They fail in exam. And they cannot develop their career, their personality, their career, they cannot develop. Okay, my dear student, next on that, lost job due to the less attention on work. काममा पनि राम्ररी मन लाग्दैन, लेस टेन्सन हुन्छ, ड्रग युजिङ गर्न थालेपछि अनि ड्रग्स चाहिँ युज गरिराखौँ भनेर त्यस्तो किसिमको बानी परिहाल्छ, जसले गर्दाखेरि के हुन्छ भने लेस टेन्सन अन वर्क, लस जब, काम छोड्छ, किनभने काममा मन नलागेर काम छोड्न जान्छ, काम छोड्नु पर्ने हुन्छ. ओके, नेक्स्ट वान, सफर फ्रम द भेरियस डिजिज. विभिन्न किसिमको रोग पनि लाग्छ है. के HIV/AIDS लाग्छ, क्यान्सर लाग्छ, क्यान्सर, HIV/AIDS जस्ता रोगहरू लाग्न सक्छ. यस, किन? अब ड्रग्स लिँदाखेरि मानव कि इन्जेक्सन युज गर्यो, एउटाले इन्जेक्सन युज गर्यो ड्रग्स युज लगाउनलाई, इन्जेक्सन लगाउनलाई, र त्यो व्यक्तिले मानव HIV/AIDS लागेको छ, त्यही इन्जेक्सन अर्कोले पनि युज गर्छ, किन उनीहरुसँग त पैसाको अभाव हुन्छ, उनीहरु सेपरेट इन्जेक्सन युज गर्न पाउँदैन, जसले गर्दा के हुन्छ भने HIV/AIDS लाग्छ र साथै क्यान्सर पनि हुने सम्भावना हुन्छ. इफ देयर इज अ क्यान्सर, नो आन्सर. क्यान्सर भयो भने नो आन्सर, कहिले पनि निको हुँदैन, किनभने नन क्युरेबल डिजिज हो. सो दिस टाइप अफ प्रब्लम individual should suffer, so that they should not use any kinds of drugs. They have to give up the using drugs. They have to leave the different peer pressure, different just a friend, just bad company, like that. Okay, suffer from the financial crisis. There is also lack of financial crisis, financial problem, lack of money. If they have lack of money, they are unable to fulfill their own desire. They are unable to buy anything what they like. Yeah, this type of problem can be arise through this way. They also suffer from the what? Financial crisis. Crisis भनेको संकट. Crisis means what? संकट. के फाइनेन्शियल भनेको आर्थिक. आर्थिक संकट पनि हुन जान्छ, अर्थको पनि अभाव हुन जान्छ, पैसाको पनि अभाव हुन जान्छ. ओके माय डियर स्टुडेन्ट, दिस आर अबाउट द ड्रग एब्युजको हामी इफेक्ट पनि कुरा गर्यौं अनि अर्को हामी टपिक पनि कुरा गर्यौं. Okay, question. mention the causes and causes of the drug Okay, my dear student, here question I have given, then question also solved. So now I want to stop my class here. Hasta namaste. See you again. Thank you.